LS3 swap. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. If you working on an LS swap, I'm talking to you. If you have the desire to do an LS swap, I'm talking to you. You absolutely gonna need the right kind of LS engine mounts for your LS swap. That way, you don't have to keep putting the engine in, taking the engine back out, put the engine in, taking the engine back out. Don't nobody wanna go through all that. That's why today, YouTube, I want to share with you exactly what kind of LS engine mounts you need for your LS swap. And it don't matter what kind of car you working on. What I'm about to share with you today will work for any kind of car, no matter what kind of car you doing an LS swap on. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do a LS swap? We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube, step by step. Did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well, step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. As easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality or performance. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Y'all ready? Let's get it. What it do, YouTube? Y'all already know what time it is, man. This your boy, Tone. Y'all know what it is, man. Hey, we got the donks right behind us, man. This is the 72 that you seen in the video intro that has the LS3 swap in it. If you hang around, we'll crank that thing up for you in a little bit. We also got the 75 convertible Caprice. Look like it's been unmolested, man. It's 28 years, y'all. Man, all this wow. Bit of air in the tire, just a little bit. We out here in the garage, and without no delay, man, let's get right to it. If you're watching this video, man, either you planning an LS swap or you might already be working on an LS swap. And I know how important it is to make sure that you can complete your LS swap as quick as possible. You ain't spinning the wheels and spending unnecessary time putting your motor in, taking it back out, putting your motor in, taking it back out. Hey, nah, we ain't doing that. You know, I'm going to save you some time. And we going to help save you some money on your LS swap. Every opportunity that we get, because that's what Chevys R Us do, to help you do your LS swap as easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality and performance. And today, I want to talk to y'all about how do you know you got the right LS engine mounts for your LS swap. Also, we're going to talk about what LS engine mounts are most preferred for LS swap. And we're going to talk about what LS engine mounts work best for your specific LS swap application. And that could be different depending on what kind of car you LS swapping. This is the kind of information you need to know while you're doing the LS swap, or else you're going to be one of them people putting the motor in, taking the engine back out, putting the motor in, taking the engine back out. And I don't want you to have to go through that. So make sure that you watch this whole video and that you don't skip through it. We actually going to be installing a pair of LS engine mounts or LS swap engine mount, whatever you want to call them. I'll show you step by step how to do it a little bit later on in the video. First things first, man. If you LS swapping an older model car, it's pretty easy, man, to get you some LS swap engine mounts that gonna work for your application. I'm just gonna say it like that, man. It's pretty easy. Purchase some LS engine mounts that's gonna work for your LS swap. If you're doing an LS swap on an older model General Motors vehicle, like an A body or a B body or a G body or anything like that, man, you know, it's easy to match up what kind of LS engine mounts or LS swap engine mounts you need for your specific vehicle. The only thing that you need to do is gotta make sure that match up your engine mounts is gonna work in conjunction with your oil pan. I'm gonna say that one more time. You need to make sure that your engine mounts work in conjunction with the type of oil pan you got. You know, that's fairly easy dealing with these General Motors cars. We know the G bodies, they work well with the F body LS oil pan and pretty much any kind of LS swap engine mount. You know, we know that. You know what I'm saying? But if you are one of the people that have a newer model vehicle like a Infiniti G35 or a Nissan 350Z or a Nissan 370Z, if you got a newer model car and you're doing an LS swap on it, then I highly recommend that you go with the LS swap kit. And the reason I say that is because if you go with the LS swap kit, then you know for sure that your LS engine mounts are going to mate up and work in conjunction with your LS swap oil pan to provide you the necessary clearance that you need to place your engine perfectly in your LS swap vehicle, man. I'm going to say that again. Let me just repeat what I just said. If you're doing an LS swap on a newer model vehicle, like a Infiniti G35 or a Nissan 350Z or something like that, if they have the LS swap kit, make sure you go with the LS swap kit. Because if you go with the LS swap kit, you don't have to be concerned or worried if your LS engine mounts are gonna work in conjunction with the type of LS swap oil pan that you have. And it has to be positioned just right to provide the necessary clearance, man, so your oil pan ain't hitting on the frame. And they work together. And that is the benefit of getting the LS swap kit. But let me say this one more time. If you got an older car, like these old cars behind me, like a General Motors A body, B body, or G body, or F body, or something like that, and you're doing the LS swap on it, you know, it's not that difficult to match up the type of oil pan and the engine mounts and all of that. You can piece it together. But if they sell the kit for the vehicle that you're doing an LS swap on, I highly recommend you go with that kit. And what that's going to do, that's going to prevent you, man, from having clearance issues. It's going to prevent you from having to put your motor in your car, take it back out. Put the motor in, take it back out because something ain't clearing right. Because your oil pan hitting on your frame. Because your accessories are hitting your power steering box. Or your AC compressor is hitting your frame rail. Or something like that, man. go with the kit if they got it. If not, then that's okay, man. If they don't sell the kit for your specific vehicle, you need to make sure that you do the right research before you go ordering your LS engine mounts and your LS oil pan for your LS swap application. Or you're going to be putting the motor in, taking it back out, putting it in, taking it back out. You're going to spend unnecessary time, and you also going to spend unnecessary money. And that ain't what Chevys R Us wants for you. If we can help save you some time, hey, that's exactly what we going to do. If we can help save you some money, that's exactly what Chevys R Us is going to do. If they don't sell the kit and you still are not sure about what type of LS engine mounts you need or what type of LS oil pan you need, hey, don't even worry about that. The only thing that you need to do, you need to join us, man, for Go Live Wednesdays, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on Chevys R Us for live LS swap questions and answers. Not just from me, but from the whole community of people, man. It's a lot of knowledge sharing going on in the Chevys R Us family, man. And that's exactly what we're here for, to share the knowledge that God has blessed us with you. So you can do your LS swap and you can be successful at it. What does God say? Hey, faith without works is dead. So I'm going to encourage you right now, man. If you're watching this video, I'm going to encourage you right now to take that step, man. You ain't got to have everything figured out. As long as you put God first and you linked in and locked in with the Chevys R Us family, hey, you're going to get your LS swap done. And I can say that and I can mean that because I've seen a lot of people, part of the Chevys R Us family, do a LS swap for their first time just because they came connected, man. Now it's your turn. Now, YouTube, I want to show you how to install your LS engine mounts or your LS swap engine mounts step by step. Let's take a look at that. YouTube, what it do? What's going on with you, YouTube? It's your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man, with your Chevys R Us YouTube channel, man. And, today, I'm excited today, guys. Today we gonna be installing our Dirty Dingo motor mounts on our 6.2 liter LS engine. Getting it prepped up, getting it ready to go in the 72 convertible right here, y'all. Y'all see it behind me. That's the 72 convertible. So we're gonna be prepping, getting these motor mounts installed on the block. There you go, y'all. There they go. There they go, YouTube. There it is. Looks like we got our Dirty Dingo motor mount. Let's see what we got. Let's go to the garage. All right, YouTube. Let's see what we got. So let's see what they looking like. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they right. Got the whole kit in there. So put the phone down. All right, YouTube. Y'all see, man? There you go. Dirty Dingo, y'all. So as y'all can see, these are gonna mount here like that. Mount up there like that. Boom. And just like that, y'all. Y'all see that? Boom. Right over that engine mount. Boom. Alright, YouTube, I got both of the slaughter mounts right in front of me. Wasn't no instructions. And so I looked online, I looked on YouTube, and I guess this P is for passenger and the D is for driver side. And the arrow of orientation indicates, okay, that needs to be pointing to the front. So this is the passenger one. This is the actual passenger side of the engine right here. This is the front. Got a harmonic balancer right there. So we're gonna install this passenger one on the passenger side, and it looks like it just bolts right here. Yep, that's it. Bolts like that. Y'all see it? So I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna get that bolted up, and we'll be back in a minute. Hi YouTube, you got all the bolts. What you want to do is put your lock washer on first, then put the other smaller washer, lock washer, smaller washer, lock washer, smaller washer, lock washer, smaller washer. Hi YouTube, just gotta get a lock washer for this one right here, but y'all can see it. There they go. Slider motor mount, dirty dingo, baby. So I think they allow the engine to slide 2.5 inches forward and like 1.5 inches backwards, like half an inch backwards and 2 inches forward. So boom, 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 boom. Got them on there, y'all. Look at that, look at that. And we'll wait until we get the engine and transmission sitting down in the vehicle. Then we'll tighten these on. We'll torque these down once we get it positioned where we want it. So, but yeah. Look here, man. This is what we do. Chevys R Us LS swaps is what we do, man. If this your first time on the channel and you like learning about stuff like this, how to do a LS swap as easy as you possibly can, as inexpensively as you possibly can, without sacrificing quality and performance. Hey, y'all do me a favor, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you can see all the new videos when we dropping them. And also, drop me a comment, man, and let me know what kind of LS swap you working on, what kind of LS swap your heart desires. And also, join us for Chevys R Us, man. Go live Wednesdays, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We talk about stuff like this as a family, you know what I'm saying? Not just me, but it's a lot of knowledge and a lot of information sharing going on, you know? Hey, we can help you do your LS swap. And also, we have old school car show and tell. So if you got an old school car, or if you're working on an LS swap project and you want to show it off, man, connect with us, man. Go live Wednesdays, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. YouTube.